It's a 2005 Honda Odyssey. You have responsibilities. That's why you have an Odyssey. You like to have fun. That's why you drive a Honda. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. AM/FM stereo radio, 3 12-volt power outlets, front heated leather bucket seats, power sliding left and right rear passenger door, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver reports sheet metal now appears shrink-wrapped indeed. Panel gaps have been reduced by up to 1.5 millimeters, giving the Odyssey an athletic stance that is emphasized by a tauter rear end and a sportier front fascia with dual projector beam headlights. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.